Hello guys, today we will understand notations in depth. Let us consider one-dimensional array. Okay, so basically this is an array. What is an array? Array contains data, contains elements of similar data type. Okay, this is an array 5, 18, 3, 54, 26, 55, 41, 19, 110. So these dot 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 basically can contain hundreds of number, thousands of number or millions of number. So we need the value to search is equal to 10. We need to find the value 10. We will start from left to right. Okay, we will start from left to right. First, we will check the first cell which contains 5. 5 is not equal to 10, so we will move to the right. Now we will check the second cell. 18 is not equal to 10, so we will move to the third. 3 is not equal to 10, so similarly we will keep on moving forward and finally we reach the last cell, and the last cell contains the value 10. 10 is equal to 10. So finally we obtain our answer. So the first notation is the omega notation. So what is an omega notation? In previous video, I explain you omega notation gives you the best case time complexity. It measures the lower bound. For any given input, running time of a given algorithm will not be less than given time. बेसिकली वो बेस्ट केस टाइम कम्प्लेक्सिटी बताता है और लोअर बाउंड बताता है कि उससे नीचे टाइम जो है नहीं हो सकता है. जैसे कि अगर हम इसमें चेक करें, अगर मैं सबसे पहले चेक करूँ 5 नंबर. ओके, इन फर्स्ट सेल कंटेन्स द 5 नंबर. सो हाउ मच टाइम डज इट टेक? ओके, सो इट विल टेक अ 1 unit of time to check the first cell. And the second cell, it will take 2 units of time. Third cell, it will take 3 units of time. And the fourth cell, it will take 4 units of time. So similarly, the minimum time is the 1 unit of time. Hence, we write omega 1. Why we write omega 1? Because the minimum time the algorithm takes is 1 unit of time. Now comes the big O notation. What is a big O notation? In previous video I explained you, it considers the worst case time complexity. It measures the upper bound of an algorithm. For any given input, running time of given algorithm will not be more than a given time. क्योंकि जो मैक्सिमम टाइम है, जैसे मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में बताया था कि दैट इफ वी नीड टू सॉर्ट द 1000 नंबर्स, मैक्सिमम टाइम इज 50 seconds. सो इट कैन नॉट बी मोर देन द 50 seconds. ओके, so if we'll check the last cell contains 10. It will take n units of time to search the value 10 because it is the maximum value. Okay, it will take n units of time. Hence we write ON. So now the third notation is theta notation. What is a theta notation? It measures the average case time complexity. Suppose to sort 1000 numbers, it takes 10 seconds, 20 seconds, and the third time it takes 30 seconds. So 10 plus 20 plus 30 divided by 3. So for any given input, running time of a given algorithm will on an average be equal to the given time. So it is theta n by 2. How it comes theta n by 2? Suppose it takes 1 unit of time to find the first cell, that is a 5, and to search the 18 number, that is second cell, it takes 2 unit of time. 55, it takes 1 million of time, and 10, it takes 2 million of time. So basically the theta measures the average case complexity. The average case complexity will be n by 2. Thank you.